Switch this leg, take this leg back. This is your launcher, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to hold your hands up right here, and all I want you to do is bring that knee up and take it back from the back leg. Can you do that for me? Go knee up and down. No kick, just the knee. Knee up and down, back. Do it again.
Bring it up high.
Knee up and down. Do it again. Knee, down.
Bring it all the way up to your chest.
Knee, down. The higher your knee goes, the higher you're going to jump with this, okay? Knee up and down. Okay, now, this is what we're going to do. Watch me. You're going to take your knee up, you're going to put your knee down, and then you're going to take the other leg, and you're going to kick. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Hands are up. I know it seems, oh my gosh, they'll never learn this. It will be so easy for them. They love this. Here we go. Ready? Knee up, knee down. Ready? Other leg. Kick. That's it. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Ready?
Take this leg back, guys.
Take that one back. There you go, Evan. Here we go. Ready? Knee up, knee down, and kick. Good. Up.
Sweet.
I know, that was a pretty good one. Here we go. Ready? Take this one back. We're going to get jumping in a couple of seconds here. Ready? Knee up, knee down, and kick. Good. Okay, ready? Do it again. Let's take this leg back. Take this leg back. Jump switch for me, Evan. Here we go. Ready? Knee up, knee down, and kick. Good. Now, this is what we're going to do.